Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's a lovely texture stitch. As you see, you can use it on your summer projects easily. You can make shawl with it. It's up to you. You can use it anywhere you want. When I make this, I use a cotton yarn. This cotton yarn has the pieces like that, but it's not separate easily. Okay, so it will look good. And I will use these two crochet hook, 4mm and 5.5mm. You will need a bigger crochet hook. Okay, it will look good like that. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. And make chains with an odd number. Okay. I made 13 chains and turn my chains like that. I will skip the first one and insert my hook into that back loop. Grab the yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops and make a single crochet. Make one more. I'll keep making single crochets and while I finish this row, I'll totally have 12 single crochet. Okay. I keep making. I hope you'll see it easily, because white and white I am a little suspicious about how it looks. Okay, we finished the first row. For the row 2, at first we will change our crochet hook and then chain 3. We must make this rows as loosey as we can. Okay, it will look good like that. And skip this first one and into that second stitch insert my hook, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through from this loop like making chain. Okay, yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops and then chain 1. I'll show you again. Skip this next loop and into the second loop insert your hook without yarning over. Insert your hook here, grab the yarn and pull it like that. Yarn over and pull it through from first loop, yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops and chain 1. Skip here into the next one, insert my hook, grab the yarn. Don't make this too tight like that, okay? Just leave it loosey. Skip this one and chain 1. Skip this and at the end we have 2 stitches. Skip this one and into that next one. Make one. Chain 3 and turn. For row 3, we will not start from here, okay? We will skip here totally. Skip this. And we will insert our hook into that stitch between this and this yarn piece, okay? Insert my hook here, grab the yarn, pull it through from first loop, pull it through from 2 loops, then chain 1. Skip this stitch and insert your hook here. 1, 2, and 3 step. Insert your hook here. 1, 2, 3. And here again. And for the last time, insert my hook here. I said that was last, but it's not. I made a chain here, okay? I will make one more into that chain. Insert my hook here. Just make one more. For the row 4, chain 3. Actually, from the row 2, starting from the row 2, we always make the same thing, okay? I will skip this stitch totally, and this one, insert my hook here. 1, 2, 3. Into the next one. Insert my hook here. 1, 2, 3. Make a chain. Pull it through from 2 loops and make a chain. Oops, sorry. And in the end, I will make one more into that. Actually, we can make it into the chain 2. Okay, if we make it with the third one, it won't look so good. We can make it into chain 2. Then chain 3, turn, make the same thing again and again and again. Okay. How we close this? Just chain 1, turn. I like to make single crochets. I like to close with single crochets, okay? Insert my hook into here and make a single crochet. And that's the second. And here. And here. You see this stitch? I just make single crochet into or around this stitch, like that. And I will make a last one into here. Let me count. Yes, I have 12 single crochet, but make them with 4mm crochet hook. Okay, I make them with 5.1mm crochet hook, so it looks so loosey than that. And that's it. As you see, it's easy to make and it's fun and look good. I hope you like it as I like. And if you like, please don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will wait for your comments. Since Crochet is my Instagram address, I will wait for you there too. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.